Hi again, this is Martin again, and today, now we're gonna do this module. It looks pretty advanced, but I'm gonna show you a few steps to get it through. So let's start. So first thing, I'm gonna do a rectangle again and just take the outsides from 0, 0 to 80, 55. So I just put a point there and just move it across so I have the distance. And do the same here again. So the distance is I think it's 13. It's 12. I'm gonna use 12 plus. And then also there's the inner point. So we get a point and we can just type the location of the point because we started at 0, 0, 25, 12. Press enter and it appeared here, which is completely right. And then just copy the point and move it 55, and then you should be on the outside. Yeah, you see you're exactly on the line. And now do minus 25. And now we're gonna draw the first line around there. So just grab the polyline and draw the line. And press enter to finish it. So what I'm checking now, if I'm just rotating it 180, which it was on the wrong spot, so I'm gonna do it back and do it with the around the green axis. No. Yes, around the green axis. Just doing 180 and just check if it's completely mirrored or if it's somewhere off. So it's not, and I'm gonna copy it and move it. I'm rotating it 180 degrees and move it back into place. So now I'm just using the 2 points and move them up 12. And now I need to do the middle point of this line. Take grid snap off so it actually jumps you to the middle one. Middle has to be on, so yes, no. Now it got you the middle point. And now we're just gonna take this point and move it into direction. So just generate a second point and move it to 80 to be on the other side, and put on minus 27 and this one on plus 27. And we have the points generated. Now we're gonna draw the next polyline and end it here, and do the polyline for the other side as well. And now you just copy those and insert them, rotate them again for 180 and move them into place of using move. So just delete everything we don't need, the points, the curve around, and you already can see we have one side finished. Now I join them together with using join. I'm just typing join so it joins as many curves as it works. So what you can see, it's selected to one closed curve, and you can see one curve here. So I'm gonna use F10 to get the control points and just move them 2 millimeters away from the middle, that it does look a bit more like the module we have. It's not 100% accurate, but it's okay. So now we just generate a surface around as in the other tutorials before. As you can see, we used shading now, so you can see the surface, deleted the line around it. Oh no, didn't delete it, sorry. Turn it, but now I'm gonna delete the line. Or first just move it to 0. And now just copying the piece 3 times and bring it to the sides. Rotate it for 90 degrees. Use move and move it to the end. You also can use move straight away in here. And do it for this one also. I'm gonna draw just normal lines for that. Just get a line tool. Just doing lines in there. So now we have to do the top surfaces, which are just like squares. So I'm just gonna put those 3 and take the 4th one as a generated. I hope that works for you guys. If not, just draw lines also and then do the surfaces. So I'm just copying that surface. And I'm just gonna move the surface into place. So now we're able to actually do like all the surfaces from the top. Just build them by hand. And now we also can do the surfaces down here, just closing off the top. And I messed up there, one thing, just deleted it and did the second one. So now just select everything, join it together. Okay, I delete the curves first. Forgot about that. And just select everything, join it together so you have one surface. Just copy it and rotate it 180. And just do the move and just put it down there. And now it does look pretty good. Now we do the filling inside. Just get the 4-point surface tool again and do the surfaces in here. So I'm gonna split that up again because I need the top one. Just gonna copy it and use move again and fit it up here. So we just gonna copy those two and gonna move them. Just gonna move them here, and it's not exactly the same as you can see. You can see it's not 100% fitting, so I press F10 and gonna move the control points of the surface into place. We're getting the surface point here again. And press escape, so you can actually get the surface again and copy it and just turn it around. So then move it into place. It does look pretty good. And then take all of them, copy them, insert them and rotate them and just move them into place. Just do that for all 4. So they're all together now. Just select everything, just join it together. It needs a moment because it's creating the mesh, and now one poly surface is done.